Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Google Chrome on your Mac, step by step. This guide works on MacBook, iMac, and Mac Mini, and it supports both Apple Silicon and Intel Macs. Let's get started. First, open Safari or any browser already installed on your Mac. In the address bar, type google.com/Chrome, then press Enter. Make sure you're on the official Google Chrome website. On the page, click the Download Chrome button. Google will automatically detect your Mac and select the correct version. The Chrome installer file will now download. The download may take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the file called googlechrome.dmg. A new window will open. Simply drag the Google Chrome icon into the Applications folder. Wait a few seconds for the copy process to finish. Next, close the window and move the installer to the bin. Now open Finder, go to Applications, and double-click Google Chrome to launch it. The first time you open Chrome, macOS may show a security message. Just click Open to confirm. That's it. Google Chrome is now installed on your Mac. You can sign in with your Google account to sync bookmarks, passwords, and extensions, or start browsing right away. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.